Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about PixelFlow. Sorry, not PixArt. We go to PixelFlow. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then here you will enter to storage. In this page of storage we click on clear cache. Then here we go to Play Store. You will search about PixelFlow. Then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.